Cambodian beef sticks, jakak, are a popular Cambodian street food and barbecue cookout. These flavorful skewers are tender, aromatic, and savory with a good balance of sweet, salty, and tangy flavors. Start by soaking the bamboo skewers in water for at least 30 minutes or overnight to keep them from burning on the grill. For the marinade, you'll need kroeung, Cambodian lemongrass paste. Here I am using 2 stalks of lemongrass, 5 to 7 large kaffir lime leaves, 3 slices of galanga, about 1.5 tablespoons, 1 large rehydrated red pepper for color, or you can use fresh hot chili peppers. To save time in my joints, I'm using a blender instead of the traditional mortar and pestle. Five cloves of garlic or half a bulb, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, a half a can of coconut cream or coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of honey. You can also use palm sugar or brown sugar or even regular sugar. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Mixing all the ingredients in a bowl allow you to taste and adjust, and I can also save the remaining for another time. 1 to 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Here I'm using olive oil for cooking, about 4 tablespoons cooking oil, equivalent to 1/4 cup. Taste and adjust to your liking. For the beef cuts, fatty meat is recommended. Here I'm using about 2.5 pounds of country-style rib cut. I prefer thicker slices. You can use pretty much any meat fatty cuts, including ribeye, flank, sirloin, etc. Pour in enough lemongrass marinade to coat the meat. Add some more marinade as needed. And massage it into the meat. Seal and refrigerate for at least 8 hours or overnight to tenderize and infuse the flavor. While we wait for the beef to marinate, let's make some pickled cabbage cucumber for our side. For a serving of 4, I'm using 1/4 of a large cabbage, 2 carrots, 1 cucumber, and 3 garlic cloves. Add in a half teaspoon of salt. Give it a good toss and let it sit for 10 minutes to keep the veggies crispy. For the dressing, 2 tablespoons sugar and 2 tablespoons distilled vinegar or rice vinegar. Pour in and give it another good toss. Store in the fridge and it will last about a week. For mine, I added some hot chili peppers and shallots. This water became yellow, tinted from the skewer, and had to change the water twice. For red coloring, you can use any Chinese barbecue char siu marinade mix. Cut any large pieces into bite size. You can make your beef sticks long or short, but should be pushed together tightly without any bamboo showing between the meat. For juicy and tender beef sticks, Allow the meat to warm up to the room temperature before cooking and grilling. Cooking cold meat will give you tough meat. I love the smell of open grill, but you can definitely cook this in the oven, air fryer, or even frying pan. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, have a wonderful and safe one.